Although there have been reports indicating that the iPhone SE series had been discontinued, recent leaks are suggesting that Apple has not abandoned the budget-friendly iOS smartphone lineup and is actively preparing for the next release. It's rumored that with the release of the new iPhone 15 series, there will also be a budget-friendly device. In this video, we're going to share what exactly the rumor says about the upcoming iPhone SE.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
When we take a look at the current third generation iPhone SE, we can see it as an entry-level iPhone from Apple. In fact, this is Apple's smallest device that has been modded over the iPhone 8 and measures a tiny 4.7 inches with thick bezels and a Touch ID home button. Now this is about to change in the upcoming iPhone SE 3, with Mac rumors indicating how Apple has plans for an all-display design not unlike Apple's flagship lineup. The home button, on the other hand, we expect to be completely replaced with some other authentication method, which should not be an issue for Apple since it never was to begin with. When we take a look at the iPhone XR, we notice that it was a 6.1-inch display, and according to renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple will not deviate from that design. However, on the contrary, display analyst Ross Young says something else entirely when he firmly believes that Apple is considering both 5.7 inches and 6.1-inch display options for the next iPhone SE. However, the keyword here is considering, not confirming, so both options are still there, while Kuo stands firm with the 6.1-inch display. For the materials, the iPhone SE is the last phone in their lineup that comes with an LCD display. OLED displays have been a go-to thing ever since Apple launched its iPhone 12, and it wouldn't hurt to expect Apple to bring in its next iPhone SE with OLED technology. Since we mentioned an all-display design earlier, Mac rumors are pretty sure that Apple is about to bring a notch for the iPhone SE, a design that has been prominent with the flagship iPhone since the 2017 iPhone XR. While the notch will give Apple ample space to put in a front camera, the question of Face ID and True Depth camera system is still shrouded in mystery, considering the cost of the hardware. Well, at least they won't have the dynamic island, so that's a relief. Now, speaking of Touch IDs, if you look closely, you'll notice that Apple has been slowly moving away from Touch IDs, with the iPhone SE being the last remaining iPhone that has this technology. This is because of the rising popularity of Face ID that's been all the hype since 2017, and it's kinda obvious to see Apple implementing that for the next-gen iPhone SE. However, the information we gathered from MyDrivers and Ming-Chi Kuo kinda contradicts the previous theory where they, according to Mac rumors, indicated that the iPhone SE 4 could very well be coming with a Touch ID power button that's similar to the design language of iPad Air, iPad mini, or the classic iPad. Since this technology was never been used in an iPhone before, the Touch ID power button could play a crucial role in keeping the cost low and strongly differentiate itself from the flagship iPhones. Now, the chip is where things get interesting. The current iPhone SE is equipped with the same A15 chip that's being used in the iPhone 13 models, so a prior generation chip is expected at launch. When you consider the 2024 release date, you'll notice it clashes with the same time as the iPhone 16 lineup, a year after the launch of the iPhone 15, which is expected to use the A16 chips that are being used in the iPhone 14 Pro models. So, A16 in the iPhone SE 4? Well, here's to hoping. And when you consider how the current iPhone SE is equipped with 5G technology, it's obvious that the next gen version will come with an upgraded 5G that will rock support for more bands in general. While there's no rooting evidence on when we might get our hands on the iPhone SE 4, 2024 or later is our take. However, it's entirely possible that Apple cancels the iPhone SE lineup, so take all of this with a grain of salt. We'll be back again with more updates on the iPhone SE 4 as soon as we get our hands on them. So, that was a take on the leaks and rumors regarding iPhone SE 4, Do tell us your thoughts, theories, and expectations, as we would love to hear from you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.